Welcome to Rockwell Labs, a market leader in the development, testing, and manufacturing of FIFRA 25B exempt botanical pesticides. Have you ever wanted to know more about botanical pesticides, how they kill pests, their modes of action, why there are so many different active ingredients in a formula, how to use them effectively, or how they compare to synthetic pesticides? This video will help answer those questions as an introduction to EcoVia research-based botanical pesticides. Since 2000 BC, humans have been using pesticides primarily to protect their crops. The first known natural pesticide was sulfur. By the 15th century, arsenic, mercury, and lead were being used. In the 19th century, two more natural pesticides were introduced, pyrethrum and rotenone. In the 1940s, synthetic pesticides became the widely used standard in urban pest management with the discovery of DDT. Other synthetic pesticides soon followed. In the last few decades, with stricter regulations, botanical pesticides have gained increasing traction as viable alternatives to their synthetic counterparts. Botanical pesticides are formulated from essential oils and other natural compounds derived from seeds, bark, stems, roots, flowers, and other plant parts. Within the plants, these compounds serve as a built-in pest defense system to protect them from pests. But these compounds may also serve as attractants, repellents, antefeedant compounds, to name a few. Botanical pesticides may seem simple, but are actually quite complex, exhibiting many different chemical properties, modes of action, and bioactivity that can affect pests in many different ways. Botanical pesticides are very versatile and can be used successfully in a wide variety of pest management issues on a broad range of species. One primary advantage of botanical pesticides is that they are an environmentally sustainable pest management solution. When combined with the ecological approach of integrated pest management, botanical pesticides can serve as a highly effective means to control pests with the least possible hazard to people, pets, and the ecosystem. When it comes to botanical pesticides, it's not just about being green. Efficacy is their key feature in the fight against pests. If you've never used botanicals as part of your pest control strategy, why not give them a try? You won't be disappointed. We love to hear from you. Please feel free to contact us with questions or comments, and thank you for watching.